To start off this video, I'm going to start with the eyes. We will be coloring the eyes light blue, very light blue, and just fill out the eyes. I know it's probably weird, but I'm using purple or violet to color the dark part of the eyes, but you can actually blend it. It will fit in the whole eye concept. Just use any soft eraser to erase some parts to blend it. Now just put the red stuff or the red thingy on the side of the eye. I'm also adding pink under the part of the eye. Take your airbrush and add some details to the eyes and use your soft eraser to blend it. Now get your pencil and add your eyelashes. Now go to the lips and add the lines of the lips. Get the airbrush and put the dark parts of the lips and use the cashmere eraser to erase some parts to blend it. Now add something underneath the lips. Now finally get your base color from the palette and then color the whole skin. Get your second darkest color and then put some of it on the nose, on the eyes, or the parts where I'm gonna put it. Just follow the directions that I'm giving. Get your cashmere eraser or any soft eraser and start erasing some parts of the second or the second darkest color that you've colored, like what I'm going to do here. Just follow my directions to know which part or how much to erase. Now add your darkest shadow to where I'm going to put it. Now use your cashmere eraser, any soft eraser, to erase some parts of the dark colors. Now add some dark parts to some parts of the skin or the face. Now this is the part of the hair or the crucial part of the hair. Just get your inking pen, then just add strokes that looks like strands of hair. Make sure the color of the inking pen is matching the color of your hair. Change the setting of the inking pen to make it an eraser, and then erase some parts to make it a strand of hair. Add the clothing, add the highlights. Then after that, you're done. Just put the background and you're pretty much done.